SodaStream Dynamo XL LX Home Soda Maker Deluxe Mega Pack. This was a durable, eco-friendly system that was designed to look sleek and last a lifetime. With the carbonator included in this kit, you could carbonate over 130 liters of sparkling water. There are few soda makers on the market that can match that output. It's also helpful to be able to control how much carbonation you put into your drinks, and with this model's push activation, you only needed to pump one button in order to do that. To round out this mega pack, it also included 2 1-liter carbonating bottles, which is definitely a bonus feature compared to most other starter kits. To top it off, you'd receive a dozen flavor samples, which is literally a sweet deal. Although this is in the avoid category on our list of best SodaStream models, it's more so just because it's a model that's hard to find and no longer a priority to the SodaStream brand. If you're able to find the SodaStream Dynamo on the market, it's maybe a great value, which seems like a rarity these days.